What's up guys, today I will tell you how to swap USDC for USDT on Binance. So let's get started.
So first what you need to do is launch your Binance mobile application and log into your account. Navigate to the top left corner where you'll see either the Binance icon or your profile picture and tap it. Select more services from the menu that appears and scroll down to find the trade section. Within trade options, locate and tap convert, which allows currency exchanges. In the from section, tap the drop down menu and search for USDC to select it as your source currency. Next, in the To section, tap the drop-down menu again and search for USDT to select it as your target currency. Enter the specific amount of USDC you wish to convert to USDT in the designated field. The app will display the conversion rate and estimated USDT you will receive. Review all details carefully, including any applicable transaction fees before proceeding. Tap Preview Conversion to see the final details, then confirm to initiate the conversion process. Your USDC will be converted to USDT once the transaction completes successfully. And that's how you swap USDC for USDT on Binance